Hello, welcome back to Python programming. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Unit 3 Part 2. So that comes under the strings. So here, in the strings, we'll define the string sequence, string length, string traversal. So strings, what is meant by strings? String sequence, string length, string traversal, string slicing, immutable, searching, looping and counting, string methods, in operator, string comparison. So we'll discuss like 3 lectures. One is 19, 20, 21. So this is we define string operations. So strings are first we will see the what is meant by string sequence, string length, string traversal. So what is meant by string sequence? So a string is a sequence of characters. So you all well known that string is nothing but a sequence of characters. You can access the characters one at a time with the operator. So this is the operator for the string with double quotes. So the expression in bracket is called an index. So if you take the fruit is equals to single quotes with banana, letter fruit of 1, then print letter A. So letter is equals to fruit of 0, print letter B. So this defines the string, this defines the string sequence. Sequence means whenever the characters can be defined like print letter of A, print letter A. So print letter A will be printed. So letter is equals to fruit 0. So 0 print letter means B will be printed. So this is about string sequence. Next coming to the second one is string length. So string length is nothing but len is built-in function that returns the number of characters in a string. So how many len? I already built-in function discussed this len function. So len of fruit means 6. So this is the string length. How to find last character in string? If you take length is equal to len of fruit, last is equal to fruit of length. So that totally the error will be happen. So last is equal to fruit of length minus 1, print last. Then A will be printed, what we define. So that is the string length. Next traversal. Nothing but string traversal. Start at the beginning, select each character in turn and continue until the end is called a traversal. So fruit is equals to banana. So len fruit index is. So this is the we can call it as a string traversal code, syntax code which is defined. So another way to write a traversal is with a for loop. So for loop for character in fruit, print character. So whatever the character defines in the fruit, banana will be printed. So that is the defines as string traversal. So this is about 19. Next coming to the Python programming, string slicing, immutable and searching, which performs as lecture 20. So we'll start here string slicing. String slicing, immutable searching. So what is meant by string slicing? A segment of a string is called a slice. The operator n to m, which returns from the nth character to the m minus 1th character. So s is equals to Monty Python, print 0.5 Monty. So print 6 is to 12 Python. So if you take the syntax code as fruit is equals to banana. So fruit is to 3. So why? Because 3 characters will be printed as a band. Again, this colon defines as the in front of variable, then it defines first three characters, next fruit 3, this is defined, last 3 characters will be performed. So this is the string slicing means dividing. So this is, we can call it as a, if we take same syntax as s equals to Monty Python, so this is will defines. Next coming to the immutable. What is meant by immutable? So strings are immutable, which means you can't change an existing string. So whatever the string has existing, like greeting is equals to hello world, greeting of J. So type error. Why? Because str object does not support item assignment. Why? Because it has a some comma or like this. So greeting hello world like this, J plus greeting, print new greeting, hello world will be printed. So J hello means J will be printed. So this is immutable statement. Next coming to the searching. Searching defines searching, the name itself defines the searching the character. It takes a character and finds the index where that character appears. If the character is not found, the function returns 1. Defining find word letter index 0 while index. So all can be defined as string searching. So string searching. So if you take this syntax, we can call it as a string searching. So this is about, we can call it as string searching. If you take this syntax as a word comma letter, if the index is 0 while index less than length of the word, if you define the word, if you want to print the word, first checking the condition if word index is equals to letter, then return the index, or else it index should be incremented with 1. Again the same will be defined. First return minus 1. This is about searching. So I will end of this. I will end here. In the next video, we'll continue the other lecture. So thank you so much. Hope you all understood about this.